Magandang hapon po ng May 27, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 27, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, May 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 27, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for Monday, May 27, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 27, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.